Hi, this is S3 TUTT triple screen extender. So this is the opening of the box. This is the front. This is the back of the box. This is the side. So when you open the box, you will see this. So this is the instruction for connecting the two screens to your computer. Just follow this. If you have any question, there is a number on the box. You can text monitor to that number, so a technician will call you. This is the bag, carrying bag. It's a nice leather carrying bag, and inside this is the monitor. Also, at the bottom, there are all cables. So, some boxes come with all packages will come with H5 cable, but some of them come separately in a bag, or it is inside the box. So you will receive H5 cable, which is a converter, USB-C to full feature USB-C, either inside the box or separate in a bag. Thank you very much.